Dear children, now we start the 4.17 example. Simplify. First question, cos inverse of cos 13/3. Here tan inverse, here sec inverse, here sin inverse. We know the principal ranges, domains. In that domains having or not, we check. Here number one solution. What given? Cos inverse of cos 13/5/3 given. So this value how much? 5/3 60. 60 into 13. 690. More than 90. But here cos inverse of cos lies between 0 to 5. It is also above 5 value. So 13/5/3 does not belongs to 0, 5. Does not belongs to. So here 5 only limit 0 and 5. 5 13/3. 13/3 some more value. Compare with 5. That's why this is not a suitable value. So that's why 13/5/3 reduced to 0 to 5. How we reduce cos inverse of cos? How much? Put 5 here, 5/3. In this 3 into 5, 3 5 minus 5, 2 5 coming. But 13/5/3 need. So how much? 4 putting here. 3 4s, 12 5. If here plus 12 plus 1, 13/5/3 coming. Now this is the suitable value for balance purpose. Now from here cos 4/5 plus 5/3. Cos 4/5/3, 4/5 plus theta. What value? Cos 4/5 plus theta. So according to formula, cos 2n5 plus theta value cos theta. So according to this, 4/5 plus theta means 2 into 2/5 plus theta of cos is equal to cos theta coming. Okay. Cos inverse of cos 4/5 plus 5/3 is the theta here 5/3. Cos 2 into 2/5 plus 5/3 cos theta. Theta is the 5/3. Cos 5/3. Now cos inverse of cos 5/3 belongs to 0, 5. So here 5/3 is the answer. This value belongs to 0 to 5. He asking simplify. This is the simplification. Next, second problem. Tan inverse of tan 3/5/4. Tan domain minus 90 to plus 90. Here 3/5/4 does not belongs to open bracket minus 5/2 plus 5/2. 3/5/4 more than 5/2. 5/2 how much? 90 degrees. This is the minus 90. 45 5/4. 45 into 3 135. More than 90. That's why this value reduced to these values. Tan inverse of tan of 5 minus 5/4. We check. 4/5 minus 5, 3/5/4. So this is the suitable value for balancing purpose. Here tan 180 minus theta. What is the tan 180 minus theta formula? Which quadrant? Tan 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan negative minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. So this is tan inverse of minus tan phi by 4. So this minus comes outside, minus tan inverse of tan phi by 4. Now this phi by 4 belongs to minus 92 plus 90. So this minus as it is, phi by 4 belongs to minus phi by 2 open brackets, phi by 2. Minus phi by 4 is the answer. Next, third problem. Sec inverse of sec phi by 3. This phi by 3 does not belongs to 0 to 5 deleted phi by 2. This is the principal domain for this sec inverse. So except phi by 2, 0 to 5, in between values phi by 3 is not there. 60 into 5, 300, but here 180 only, above 180 value. So we reduce it to this domain. Sec inverse of sec 5 minus phi by 3. Now we check. 3 5 minus 5, 2 5, but here 5. Suppose put 2 5 plus 5, 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. Now take LCM 3 into 2, 6 5 minus 5, 5 by 3 coming. So for the balance purpose we write like this. After this, sec 360 minus theta. 2 5 means 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. Sec 2 5 minus theta is equal to, this is the fourth quadrant, sec positive, cos positive, rest negative, but this is the positive, sec theta. Sec inverse of sec 360 minus theta, sec theta, sec 5 by 3. So is equal to 5 by 3. This value belongs to 0 to 5, 0 to 5, deleted 5 by 2 value. So this 5 by 3 in between this domain. Next, fourth. Children, here different problem, sin inverse of sin 10. So first we solve the sin 10. This is written as sin of 10 into 5 by 5, multiply by 5 divided by 5. After this, sin tan 5, this is 22 by 7. After this, sin 7 into 10, 75 by 22. After this, sin of 2 11s, 2 35s, 35 5 by 11. So this is converted to domain. Here 35 5 by 11 does not belongs to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. So how we convert? Sin 35 by 11 is written as 5 minus 5 by 11. Put 4, 44 minus 9. 44 minus 9, 35 by 11 coming. So this is sin 360 multiples of minus theta. So another formula, sin of 2n5 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. This is the useful formula. Minus sin 9 5 by 11. 9 5 by 11 also not belongs to minus 92 plus 90. That's why again we change minus sign of 5 minus 5 by 11. Check. 11 5 minus 2. 11 5 minus 2. 9 5 by 11. Now this is sine 180 minus theta. This is second quadrant. Sine 5 minus theta is equal to second quadrant sine theta positive. So here minus sine of minus as it is sine 180 minus theta sine theta. Sine 2 5 by 11. And this also sent to inside. Otherwise keep it. After this, complete sine inverse of sine 10 is equal to sine inverse of sine 10 value minus sine 2 5 by 11. Sine inverse of minus x minus outside coming sine inverse of sine 2 5 by 11. Now minus as it is sine inverse of sine cancelled 2 5 by 11. So here this value belongs to minus 92 plus 90. So this value what actually 2 by 11. 5 value 22 by 7. 11 twos minus 4 by 7. So in terms of numbers 4 by 7. So in the book answer 3 5 minus 10 given. 3 5 minus 10. How much this value? 3 into 22 by 7 minus 10. 66 by 7 minus 70. 66 by 7 minus 10. After this LCM 7, 66 minus 7 into 10, 70. So this value minus 4 by 7. This value same. That's why its value is on simplification sine inverse of sine 10 is equal to 3 5 minus 10. 3 5 minus 10. Both are equal. That's why 3 5 minus 10. Otherwise minus 4 by 7. Okay. 4.18 example. Find the value of sine 5 by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So first solution sine 5 by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine of 5 by 3, this minus comes outside. Sine inverse of minus x minus sine inverse x. Minus minus plus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of sine of 5 by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 2. This is sine 30 value. Sine inverse of sine 30. That is 5 by 6. Now sine 5 by 3 plus this cancelled 5 by 6. This is less than 90 degrees. So here sine of this is 60, this is 30, 90. Sine 90. So sine 90 value 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square. Close. Here 2a by 1 plus a square, there 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square. Let here a is equal to tan theta. Then this tan 1 by 2 sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Close. This is tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of, in terms of tan, this is tan sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta is the 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of, here 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is the cos 2 theta. Tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of sin cancelled, 2 theta remaining plus 1 by 2, here also same 2 theta, 2 2's cancelled, tan of theta plus theta is equal to tan 2 theta. Finally, tan 2 theta in terms of tan 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is the tan 2 theta formula, is equal to 2 into tan theta is the a, 2a by 1 minus a square. This is the final value. So once again I explain the formulas here. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, tan 2 theta sin by cos, this by this, 1 plus tan square cancelled, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. By using these formulas we solve this problem. Final answer 2a by 1 minus a square. 4.19 example, prove that tan of sin inverse x is equal to x by under root of 1 minus x square given for mod x less than 1. Here proof, let sin inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to sin theta. Sin theta means x by 1. Draw the triangle. This is theta, x by 1, x opposite to 1 hypotenuse, x opposite. This adjacent is the under root of 1 square minus x square, 1 minus x square coming. So consider this value is the tan of sin inverse x. It is equal to tan of sin inverse x is the theta, tan theta. Tan theta value opposite by adjacent, x by under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the right side, left side is the tan of sin inverse x. This is equal to x by under root of 1 minus x square. So here 1 minus x square not equal to 0. 1 minus x square does not equal to 0. So under root also having. After that this value is not negative, positive. 1 minus x square greater than 0, not equal to 0. So only greater than 0. So this is 1 greater than x square. Otherwise x square less than 1. So x square is in terms of, if we take root, mod x is less than 1. If x modulus is less than 1, then tan of sin inverse x is equal to x by under root of 1 minus x square. Next, 4.20 problem, 4.20 example. What given? Sin of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sec inverse 5 by 4. So here sin, here sec different. That's why we convert to another. Let sec inverse 5 by 4 is equal to theta. Then sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. Implies cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. So by the triangle theta, this is 4, this is 5. With this combination opposite is the 3. In terms of sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. theta is equal to again sin inverse of 3 by 5. Finally, sec inverse of 5 by 4 value in terms of sin inverse 3 by 5 coming. This value is sin inverse 3 by 5. Again here also sin inverse 3 by 5. So given problem, sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sec inverse of 5 by 4 is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5 plus this also sin inverse 3 by 5. So it is equal to sin of 2 sin inverse 3 by 5. Here sin of 2 sin inverse 3 by 5. This is converted to another value again. Sin 2 theta, suppose let here let sin inverse of 3 by 5 taking as a, then sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Then cos A is equal to how much? Cos A is under root of 1 minus sin square A, under root of 1 minus 9 by 25. So this value 25 minus 9, 16 by 25 under root, it is equal to 4 by 5. So this value sin of 2A, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. 2 into sin A value 3 by 5, cos A value 4 by 5. So this is equal to 6, 4, 24 by 5 into 5, 25. 24 by 25 is the answer. This problem, example 4.21, prove that number 1, tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Proof 1. We prove that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. So LHS is the tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. This is formula by tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. According to this formula, tan inverse of x is the 1 by 2 plus y is the 1 by 3 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So this is tan inverse of 3 plus 2 by 2 into 3, 6 division. Here LCM 6 minus 1 by 2 into 3, 6. This is the simplification. 6 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 5 by, here also 5. Tan inverse of 5 by 5 cancelled 1. It is tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is equal to 5 by 4. This is the RHS value. Hence proved. Now another problem, second. Proof. Second problem. Now we prove that what 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. Now consider LHS. LHS here 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. So first we simplify this. 2 tan inverse x formula, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. By using this formula, 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 whole square. It is equal to tan inverse of 2 to cancel 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is tan inverse of 1 minus 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. After it is tan inverse of 4 by 3. This is only tan inverse 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 value. After that here tan inverse of 1 by 7. So 2 tan inverse of 1 by 7, 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is the LHS value is equal to. So this is equal to this value tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus this tan inverse of 1 by 2. So this is also tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So tan inverse of this value 8 plus this is 3 by 6 by 1 minus 4 2 2's 2 by 3. After this tan inverse of 11 by 6, this 3 minus 2 1 by 3. Tan inverse of 33 by 6. Now 4.21 second example. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. First of all, this 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 convert to tan inverse. So what formula can be used here? 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the formula. So instead of this 2 tan inverse of x is the 1 by 2. This is equal to tan inverse of 2 into x is the 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 whole square. So this value tan inverse of 2 to cancel 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. After this tan inverse of 1 by 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. After reciprocating tan inverse of 4 by 3. This value. Next LHS, consider LHS. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to this value is the tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What formula? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. By using this formula, tan inverse of x 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. After this, tan inverse of 7 4's 28 plus 3 into 1 3 by 3 7's 28. Division here 1 minus 4 by 28. This one. This also 21. After this, tan inverse of 31 by 21 by this 21 minus 4, 17 by 21. 21 gets cancelled is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. It is the RHS. Hence proof. Okay. Example 4.22. This is the proof. If cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z is equal to 5 and x, y, z values 0 to 1, not equal to 1, not equal to 0, above 0, below 1. So if 0, this is 1 coming, 0. But here 180 degrees, cos inverse of 1, 90, here 1, 90, here 1, 90, 390s, but that is equal to 180. That's why that x, y, z value is 0 to 1 given, condition that is. Now we prove that x square plus y square plus z square 2xyz is equal to 1. We prove that. Proof. Let cos inverse x is equal to alpha, cos inverse y is equal to beta, cos inverse z is equal to gamma. Then cos inverse x plus cos inverse y cos inverse z is equal to 5 given. So this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma is equal to 5. Okay? A plus B plus is equal to 180 degrees, like that. So here any two, alpha plus beta is equal to 5 minus gamma. This gamma sent to right side. So consider taking both sides cos ratio, cos of alpha plus beta is equal to cos of 5 minus gamma. This formula expansion, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos 180 minus gamma minus cos gamma. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, second quadrant. That's why here now start cos alpha. Cos alpha means what? Cos alpha is equal to x. From this cos alpha is equal to x. Otherwise x is equal to cos alpha. Here y is equal to cos beta. Here z is equal to cos gamma. Substitute here. Cos alpha is x, cos beta is y. Sin alpha we don't know. Under root of 1 minus cos square alpha. This is under root of 1 minus cos square beta is equal to minus cos gamma is z, minus z. Now xy minus under root of 1 minus x square. This is cos square alpha x square. This is 1 minus y square is equal to minus z. Now the z taking left side, xy plus z is equal to this term outside 1 minus x square multiply 1 minus y square. Now squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So xy plus z whole square is equal to 1 minus x square multiply 1 minus y square whole square. After this square and expansion, x square y square plus z square plus 2xyz is equal to 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Here on squaring root cancel, here also root cancel, here product. Now x square y square plus z square plus 2xyz is equal to 1 into 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square minus y square into 1 minus y square plus x square y square. So here right side x square y square, here also x square y square. Remaining terms taking left side, these two terms, x square here y square after z square plus 2xyz. This term finished, only 1 here remaining. This is the proof. RHS is 1. Here taking this left hand side values and right hand side values, both are taking. Here left is equal right coming. X square plus y square plus z square 2xyz is equal to 1. Hence proved. Example 4.23. If A1, A2, A3 up to AN is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. AP. With common difference D. Prove that tan of close bracket tan inverse D by 1 plus A1 A2 D by 1 plus A2 A3 and continuously going on up to tan inverse D by 1 plus AN minus 1. equal to an minus a1 by 1 plus a1 an. Now we prove that. Actually, arithmetic progression means what? Suppose a, b, c in AP. Then what difference of these equal? C minus b is equal to b minus a. This is the common difference. Common difference. So according to this common difference, here d is the common difference, that is equal to an minus 1 equal to. Similarly that going on last terms, a3 minus a2 equal to a2 minus a1. So here 2 1, here 3 2, here 4 3, here 5 4, here n minus 1, 1 less here. This is the common difference for all. Next, here tan inverse d by 1 plus a1 a2. Consider tan inverse of d by 1 plus a1 a2. What is this? Tan inverse of this is a2 minus a1 by 1 plus a1 a2. D is the a2 minus a1. Here a1 a2 denominator. That's why suitable value here a2 minus a1, not a3 minus a2. Related to denominator. So this is tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. That is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. X is the here a2 minus tan inverse of y means the a1. So this value tan inverse d by 1 plus a1 a2 is the tan inverse of a2 minus tan inverse of a1. Similarly, tan inverse of d by 1 plus a2 a3. This value according to that a3 first, tan inverse of a3 minus tan inverse of a2. Similarly, on this type is going on up to tan inverse of an minus d by what given last term 1 plus an minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of an first minus tan inverse of an minus 1. So here all summations from this bracket a1 a2 to an minus 1. So on summation left side tan inverse of d by 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus a2 a3 and so on plus tan inverse of d by 1 plus an minus 1 equal to tan of this value tan inverse a2 minus tan inverse of a1 and next tan inverse of a3 minus tan inverse of a2 and so on. Last term what? Tan inverse of an minus tan inverse of an minus 1 close. So here what cancel? Tan inverse of a2 here, this one cancelled. Tan inverse of minus a2, this cancelled. Next, tan inverse of a3 here and so on continuously up to this term cancelled. Here remaining terms minus tan inverse a1, here tan inverse of an remaining terms. Equal to tan inverse of, in orderly, tan inverse an minus tan inverse of A1 equal to tan inverse of here tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of an minus a1 by 1 plus an a1. Tan of tan inverse cancelled, then an minus a1 by 1 plus an a1. This is the RHS value. This is LHS value. Consider this value LHS value. Example 4.24. Solve tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Here solve means find the x value. So here solution tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x given equation. This is written as tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus 1 into x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Here technique is x into 1. So x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is tan inverse of x minus y. So tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Tan inverse of 1 means this is tan 5 by 4. Tan inverse of tan 5 by 4, this value, minus this value sent to outside, tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. Here tan inverse of tan cancelled, 5 by 4. In the domain 5 by 4 belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. Next, this is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Next, tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. This value sent to this side. So 2 twice. So tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 6. So x is equal to tan 5 by 6. Tan 5 by 6 value tan 30 1 by root 3. X greater than 0. This is greater than 0.